Kamusta mga balibulista? Pinataob ng Farm Fresh ang Zeus Thunderbells 26-24, 13-25, 25-21, 25-19. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Trisha Tubo sa likod ng kanang 28 points mula sa 27 attacks at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman ng 12 points si Alaysa Bertolano, Reza Cruz 8 points, Caitlin Viray 5 points, Abiliana 3 points, April Tagsip 3 points. Nag-ambag din ng 2 points si Loie Romero, Sofia Ildefonso 1 point, Mary Jinko 1 point, Maika Larusa 1 point, Ellen Casilag 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Zeus Thunderbells, nagtala ng 16 points si Tia Gagate mula sa 12 attacks, 3 blocks at 1 ace. Chenny Arroyo 10 points, Jovelyn Gonzaga 10 points, Michelle Gamit 8 points. Nagtala din ng 5 points si Troncoso, Pascual 4 points, Mondonido 3 points, Kate Santiago 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalist naman ng Petrogas Angels ang Akari Chargers 28-26, 29-27, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Myla Pablo sa likod ng kanang 15 points mula sa 13 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Nag-ambag naman ng 19 points si Brock Van Sickle, Aiza Puntilla 7 points, Remy Palma 7 points, Janelle Cheng 4 points. Nagtala din ng 2 points si Mary Joy Dacoron, Saet 1 point, Nicole Chamson 1 point, Jonah Sabete 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Akari Chargers, nagtala ng 21 points si Ivy Laxina mula sa 21 attacks, Gretchel Soltones 11 points, Christine Soyod 10 points, Sharma 5 points, Camille Victoria 3 points, Camille Cal 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 5, 2024. Kremlan Coltsmasters 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. Signal HD Spikers 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. Petrogas Angels 3 wins 1 loss 9 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 3 wins 1 loss 9 points. Chiri Tigo Crossovers 3 wins 1 loss 8 points. Farm Fresh 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Zeus Thunderbells 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Akari Chargers 2 wins 3 losses 6 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 2 wins 3 losses 5 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win 3 losses 4 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 4 losses 1 point. Enlix Lead Chameleons 0 win 4 losses 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 7, 2024 na gaganapin sa Cebu City. Magtutuos ang Enlix Lead Chameleons at Signal HD Spikers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Capital One Solar Spikers at Galleries Tower High Risers alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.